Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to really quickly lube and set up your 2x2. Okay, let's get right into it. You will need a tissue for protecting your desk, a 2x2 for actually setting up, and some lube. I'm using Lubist XMT10, but any fast lube that will drip out of a bottle will do fine. The first step is to take a piece out of the cube, a corner first. We don't need the lube for now, so we can put that aside. You may need to loosen the face of your cube for this, but for mine I don't need to, I think. So rotate one face 45 degrees, and you should just be able to pull up the corner. Oh, I remember this is not the right corner to do it on, for me. It's a bit of effort, but there. I've got a corner out, and actually an edge popped out too. This is why I have this tissue down. Now, you can put the corner aside, and we're going to be focusing on lubing this internal edge piece and putting it back in. So, get your lube, and of course, open it. And then you need to pick up your edge. Depending on how much lube is already in this, for me there is still some left over. You want to just apply a few drops in the internal tracks. I'm sorry, you might not be able to see this very well, this camera isn't focusing, but you should just be able to squeeze a drop onto the tracks. Don't put it on here because this bit doesn't contact anything, so you don't need to worry about that. Just focus on the inners. Okay, that's probably enough for me, but you might need to do more. And now you should just be able to squeeze it back in. Might need to rotate it 45 degrees again, and there. You can pop it back in, and now you have nearly a complete 2x2 just without this corner. Now, all you need to do is pop the corner back in. This might require a bit of effort, but try and do it carefully because you don't want any part of the corner to break. You can use the little points in this internal triangle to help you push it in. And there, it's in. That might have been a little hard, but probably should have loosened that face a little bit, but otherwise, yeah, it's in, and now all that's left to do is to work in the lube. This method is only really intended for a cube that doesn't have lots of dirt in it, which mine doesn't, fortunately, and also doesn't need core setup. So yeah, it works well on this cube, and you'll get a different feeling depending on which lube you use. But yeah, I hope that helped you, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.